Okay, so the first chord I'm playing there is so the F major. I'm playing the key of F. Okay, I'm playing the key of F. So this is the F major chord. Okay, so I play do. Okay, and I play F9. Okay, F minor 9. Okay, okay. Go to your F chord now. Then I add the more. Okay, so what I'm playing there is a B flat 7. Go to your B flat 7. Okay, then I play a saw. Okay, add it with the Va there. Okay, that give me the 4 note there. Then your one chord now. Add the 7 do. Okay, then I play the F7 again. Play the E7 from the F7 to the E7 to the E7. Okay, okay, and I play the D diminished to the D diminished. Okay, and I play. So what I'm playing there is that is a minor 7. The A minor 7 to the C or major 7. Okay, to the 1 chord now. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Play again. Okay, so it's very simple.